bedroom organizing. Tiny Tuesday. Hi, I'm Sharon and thank you for clicking on my channel. This is Tiny Tuesday and it is a collaboration and it is hosted by Sunday Dawn from the Helpful Home, and Melinda's Plain and Simple is putting our playlist together. Okay, let's get busy tidying. And there will be a playlist in my comments down below, so don't forget to watch everybody else, and please comment and subscribe to their videos too. So if you like this kind of content, please subscribe.
Scissors in here. Good grief. Oh yeah, they're already there. Should put these more out front. Okay, this is to take to my trailer to put napkins in that I thrifted. So I'm going to put it in the napkin holder thingy. Maybe I'll remember where it is. This is a project I was working on. I've got glue sticks. Okay, go down in the glue bin. There's some stuff that can just go in the garbage. Not these flowers. There's the lid. Okay. This is the battery for my glue gun. Put it down there. And I want to play with this air dried clay. So let's get all this stuff to this side. Need to take that brush and wash it. Okay, all that stuff is off of there. That needs to go on my two-tiered tray. And I'm still using that. That can go in there. Okay. Let me throw that away. This I need to keep. These I need to keep. Those could go in there. Okay. I'll get my little grooming thing. Instead of brushing it all on the floor, I can brush it. Oh, it's a nice little brush. Brush this, put this in the garbage. Oh my goodness, this is going to feel so good to have this room kind of organized again. Yeah, just scrape some glue off. There. Okay, that's much better. I'm just gonna stick it in the corner here. This is the garbage. Not through with that yet. The glue gun can go in there. Okay, this is very pretty stuff. Here's another glue gun. Okay, let's put this stuff in.
Well, I picked up a few things that I use in my fairy gardens, and I'm tucking them in the basket that has fairy garden projects to be done yet. And at this time, I'd like to encourage you to subscribe to my channel and give me a thumbs up and a comment. And tell me if you like to do tiny tidies like we do.
This guy can go up in here. This can go up in here too. Get stuff off the floor. I like to get stuff off the floor. Okay. In the garbage. See if I can close the closet doors. Always looks so much tidier if I can close them. Here. Bed. Sheet. Okay. This box I'm not going to do anything with right now. Put it in the corner. And I'm going to get the broom. I'm going to get the broom so we can sweep. Oh, my goodness. Okay, so this room's got a bit more order to it again, which is always nice. Let's take the broom out. And the desk is pretty good. And this is our bag of garbage. So, I do have some donate stuff, some puzzles I'm going to take back to the thrift store. And I have 3 teacups I'm going to take up to the seniors hall. So, that'll be good. Well, here's some more fairy garden stuff. I guess I better put it in with the fairy garden stuff. I don't know if your tea plugs or not. Just put it in there. A really full tub again, but I kind of have it organized, some stuff in plastic bags and stuff. So I'm feeling a little better about that. If you can see my craft room floor, that's pretty good. And those are just fairy gardens over there being stored. And my desk. And I can close the closet door on the big closet. So that always helps. And we have some piles of stuff there, but we'll deal with it. Okay. So that's this part of the video.
So I went out into the living room and I took my 2 baskets of ribbon that I have. And I am going to organize them, sort them, roll them up, and get them nice and tidy. My husband is playing golf on TV. He really likes that game. And we do like to golf. So it's always fun. So this is the second basket of ribbon, and that's how messy the first one was too. Anyhow, I took all the ones out that had the cardboard still on them, and I sorted them, and I put them in the basket there. And I wrapped them all around and everything and got them all organized. And I put elastic bands around them. Last time I put pins in them and I kept poking myself. So that was kind of dumb. So then I took them and I organized them all up and down, put them in rows, so now they're all nice and straight, and hopefully it will be easier to keep them organized now that I have elastic around them and got them sorted. And I have lots and lots of ribbon, and it's always fun, but it's very frustrating when you can't find anything. So hopefully this little project will keep them organized, and I'm sure the elastic bands will work well, better than the pins. Because like I said, I poked myself all the time on those straight pins. Anyhow, so here I'm just organizing them, and I think they end up looking nice and tidy. And I'd like to remind you again, please subscribe. And don't forget to watch the playlist that's going to be in my comments. There's lots and lots of tiny tidiers, and they'll give you lots of inspiration.
Okay, I've got these that aren't on spools, and I put all the like ones together
And these are just different pieces down here. I'll probably line them up so they fit in better. Oop, that doesn't go in there. These are all the rick-rack. Don't need to all go in a row. Anyhow, now at least when I go to grab one kind out, I can grab the whole bundle. These ones are good. And this is a box of just, all that can go in there. I got a whole bundle of this ribbon, and I found another little piece, so I'm going to add it to this bundle, and then it'll go in that bin. And this is what I'm actually just going to put it all in the trash. So we'll get it in the trash can. Well, that's my tiny tidy for this Tuesday. I got my craft room straightened up, and I got my ribbons all straightened up and all put in their bins and organized. So thank you very much for watching this video. And thanks again, Melinda, for putting us into the list. Don't forget to watch the playlist. And I'll see you next Tuesday, and I'll see you Thursday for Fairy Garden Thursday. Bye.